Okay, in this last video we'll simulate all of the toolpaths. Now whether they are visible here or not, it doesn't make any difference so long as they're all active. So if I just check that they're all active, and I believe they are, then when we simulate that, we've already imported the stock STL file, so we don't need to do that again. So now we can just say simulate. We'll switch off the toolpath and then we'll just run that. Speed that up slightly. So you'll notice that on each of these depths it's always using the ramping or the helical ramping to get into a pocket, unless the material has already been machined, therefore it doesn't need to ramp because it's plunging into an area that has previously been machined. So this is now just doing the top surface. This is the rest roughing that was left from the previous toolpath. This is now the flatland machining the flat areas to finish those off, and by adjusting the sizes here we could get it to do the flatland across the top surface as well. So this is doing the surfacing around here. When this is finished, the simulation will give a much better and smoother view, but this is just the to give the tool path whilst it's actually machining. You can set the tolerance and the surface finish of the simulation using the tabs down here. So you can set the accuracy up to high, but then it will take that much longer to simulate. That's doing the chamfer around the edge. This is now doing the okay, so when it finishes it smooths out the simulation, and that's that part completed.